there was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said you could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you could walk away, sponge?" I responded no, and then he hit me with an 8 punch all up in my face, and then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out 2 of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, no, little homie, you messed up my day." So I got up to him and I punched him in the face. He said, "Ah ha ha," then he hit me with some mace.